National Electrical Code Section 300.3b states that conductors and cables shall not be installed in ducts, plenums, or other air handling spaces unless specifically permitted or provided for in this code. The practice of running electrical wires behind an air conditioning duct presents multiple safety hazards, and therefore it's a code violation. There are several key reasons for this prohibition. Firstly, overheating is a concern. The airflow within the duct can affect the wire's ability to dissipate heat effectively. Continuous exposure to this environment can cause the wires to overheat, potentially degrading the insulation and significantly increasing the risk of electrical fires. Secondly, physical damage is a considerable risk. The wires could be crushed or damaged by the ductwork itself, or during any maintenance activities in the duct. This damage can compromise the integrity of the insulation, leading to short circuits, ground faults, and other electrical hazards. Thirdly, maintenance becomes difficult. Accessing and servicing the wires positioned behind the duct can be challenging and time-consuming. Any future repairs, inspections, or modifications to the electrical system in that area will be significantly complicated by the presence of the ductwork. To rectify this situation and comply with the NEC, the electrical contractor needs to take corrective actions. Firstly, reroute the wires around the AC duct. It is recommended to maintain a minimum clearance of at least 6 inches to ensure adequate ventilation and prevent any physical contact between the wires and the duct. Secondly, if it is unavoidable for the wires to pass through air handling spaces, protect them with conduit or other approved methods. This will provide a physical barrier against damage and help to mitigate the risk of overheating. The choice of conduit will depend on the specific application and the environmental conditions. Following these steps will ensure compliance with the NEC and provide a safe and reliable electrical installation.